What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And in today's video we are going to talk about the all new upcoming Redmi Note Series 11. And here the Redmi Note 11 series is coming in three variants, which are the Note 11 Vanilla, the Redmi Note 11 Pro and the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Now if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that you have done that, let's get started. So the very first thing, let's talk about the vanilla Redmi Note 11. The phone is said to be coming with the dual camera setup with a primary camera of a 50 megapixel and a secondary camera of 2 megapixel depth sensor. However, in the posters, it showed that it will be a triple camera setup, so we can expect that camera to be third one to be a macro camera. Not only that, it could get a 5000 mAh battery with a fast charge support of 33 watts. Now in contrast to the Redmi Note 11 Pro, that it will do come with the AMOLED panel and a high refresh rate of 120Hz. The phone will also be powered with the MediaTek Dimensity 910 SoC and it will be paired up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. On the camera side, the Redmi Note 11 Pro will be featuring a 108 megapixel sensor and with a secondary camera of 8 megapixel for ultra wide and third camera for the depth sensor of 2 megapixels. Now on the front you will be getting a 16 megapixel for the selfie shooters and 5000 mAh battery powered with the 67 watt of fast charging. Now this phone is between the Redmi Note 11 and the Note 11 Pro Plus, where the Note 11 Pro Plus will be expected to be coming with the flagship MediaTek Dimensity processor, which is a Dimensity 1200 and 120Hz of AMOLED panel, and besides other hardware specifications of this phone will be the same, but it will be coming with the fastest wired charging of 120 watts of super fast charging with this model. Now talking about the launch event and the launch date, the launch event is set on the 28th of October and it will launch right now only in China, which is being confirmed right now, and we have to wait for the official announcement of this phone to be in India. Now what are the expected prices of these phones? Then here we go. The Redmi Note 11 will be priced around to be 14,000 rupees, whereas the Note 11 Pro will start at 18,700 rupees, near to the 19,000 rupees mark, and it will do replace the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Now whereas when it goes towards the Note 11 Pro Plus, then that smartphone is expected to be priced around 25,000 to 26,000 to take on for the OnePlus Nord 2 and the other smartphones in that price bracket. So what do you think about these smartphone and overall with the price which has been leaked from the China? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and vote it in the community poll. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.